How to install water slide decals. First thing is to cut out your decal. You can cut as close to the black line as possible. If you have any left over, you can always either file it off or use gel color to cover it up. Next, you'll put your decal in water for about 20 seconds. Once it's done in there, you can slide it off of the decal paper. Be very careful when you do this so you don't tear the decal, especially if you have a clear background. Lay it right on top of your nail and you can use your finger to readjust it. Just make sure that your finger has water on it to keep the decal from tearing apart. Once everything is smooth exactly how you want it, you'll dab it with a paper towel to dry it off and top coat it with gel top coat that you'll cure for 60 seconds. If you have any excess decal paper, just use a file and file away from you to get it off. You can pull off the excess with your finger, and that's it.